Good morning, Simon. Hi. You gonna give us a smile today? You smile for your mommy, maybe?
Hi, handsome. Hi. Are you looking at that camera? How are you? Hi, sweet pea. Good morning. Hi. Hi, sweet pea. What a good sleeper you are. Oh. Can you tell me about your sleeping? What a great job you did. Is that right? Really?
Hi there, little baby. You got your jammies off? You got a new diaper? You starving? Huh? All dressed? Hi. Can you get me a smile? Hi. 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 Would you like a little bit of a smile? I got a smile, little man. You gonna give us a good morning smile now that you're all dressed and fed? A full little baby? Hi. Hi. You're just talking. You're just talking. Now, Simon, your big brother and your daddy can have a banana, but you can't because you're just a baby. Can you smile for us? Hi. Can you give us a good smile? Are you being a little bashful this morning? Big smile. Hi. Almost a smile. Hi there, little man. Is that Simon? Is that the little boy Simon giving us a smile? Is that more that Simon little smiling? Yeah, that's a little bit of a smile.